My name is Jody Grose. I founded Return to the Fire in 1984 to express my purpose of creating an organization committed to the transformation and celebration of men's masculine spirit. Canoe trips in the wilderness provide the perfect setting to build community for men and fathers and sons. The call of the wild touches each of us, yet for many, the distractions of life muffle that calling. Joseph Campbell called it the hero's journey. On the canoe trips I lead, community and brotherhood are shared while paddling the Allagash and Penobscott Rivers of Maine. The river teaches us what we need to learn. By stripping away the daily distractions, we rediscover joy, tranquility, and passion. I have heard from many men over 30 years that they have a longing for nature, their fathers, and want to deepen their connections with their wives and children. Come discover what you've long forgotten. Return to the fire.